Welcome back to part 4 of our 1905 farmhouse renovation. It's a little delayed video, but we have been busy. So here is a recap of what we've been doing the last couple of weeks. We've been cleaning up the yard, making it look a lot better. And we're moving. We moved into the farmhouse, and it was very bittersweet. We've lived at our apartment for about 8.5 years, and we had so many memories in these walls, and it was really, really sad to leave this place and all of our friends and our neighbors. But this is what we wanted. We wanted to move to a farm and have acres, and here we are. It was tough to move because we're in the middle of renovations and we're moving into a construction zone. So as we are moving, we're also taking dump loads to the dump. We took over 3 tons of trash to the dump, and we still have a few more piles of dump runs to go. And while we've been doing dump runs, I have been renting the goats, and they are doing amazing, doing some land clearing. We have commissioned them to clear an acre, and they have done about 1/4 of an acre, and they're just so cute and adorable. We've really enjoyed them and are considering purchasing some goats. And these are dairy goats. They're La Mancha goats, and they make A2 milk, which is the only thing our family can stomach, so we might get some. And then we were given some chickens in a chicken coop, and I was unprepared. I've never had chickens before, and so we put up a temporary run, and I thought they were safe until we found this little guy trying to swoop in and eat our chickens. So we have since put up some netting to keep them safe, and they're making beautiful eggs. We absolutely love it. So the only room in the house right now that's done is my daughter's, and it's absolutely gorgeous, but everything else is coming along. We put up some shelving, we've done the baseboards, flooring, and we are finishing the flooring of the upstairs. It's looking great. We got this floor from Habitat for Humanity. Our local Habitat for Humanity supplies this. This is my son's room, and this beautiful wave picture is his inspiration for the room. So we're going to decorate it accordingly. We still are going to replace the windows in the spring, but it's going to take time and money, of course. So that is a project for springtime. We're almost completely done with the flooring up here. I'm so excited. And then the kids will have their rooms and have a safe place to be. So this is what we've been working on, and after this is done, it is the bathroom and then downstairs. Hit that follow button to see what we do next on the farm.